Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you work in HR at a hospital, whether you're a leader, an administrator, or just curious about what the future holds, this is for you. Let me walk you through something that's quickly changing the game in healthcare, generative AI. And no, it's not science fiction anymore. It's here, and it's already reshaping how hospitals manage their most critical asset, people. Think about your day-to-day in HR, recruiting, retaining, training, planning. It's complex, it's high pressure, and frankly, it's a lot. Now imagine easing some of that load while making smarter, faster, more strategic decisions. That's where generative AI steps in. Let's start with recruitment, one of the toughest pain points today. AI is being used to automate time-consuming tasks like screening resumes and scheduling interviews. Instead of sifting through mountains of applications, your team can focus on people, not paperwork. Plus, AI can tap into predictive analytics to suggest which candidates are most likely to succeed, not just based on skills, but also how well they'll thrive in your specific environment. That's huge when retention matters just as much as hiring SH flow. Speaking of retention, AI helps uncover why people leave before they even do. By analyzing feedback surveys, performance data, and other HR signals, it surfaces patterns, so you can act early. It's about moving from reactive to proactive, creating a work environment that actually supports your team and keeps your best people on board. Now on to training. This is where AI gets really personal. Instead of cookie-cutter training modules, generative AI can tailor learning experiences to each employee's role, skills, and even learning style. It's more effective, more engaging, and, let's be honest, more relevant. And with healthcare becoming more AI-augmented itself, this kind of training helps staff stay ready for the future. Then there's workforce planning, and wow, this is a game changer. Hospitals are always navigating shifting staffing needs, fluctuating patient volumes, and tight budgets. AI helps by analyzing past data, staffing levels, patient trends, even flu season patterns, to create accurate forecasts. It can tell you not just how many people you need, but who you need and where your skill gaps are. And because it can work with your existing HR systems, it's not about replacing everything. It's about enhancing what you already have. All of this sounds exciting, and it is, but we can't ignore the challenges. Human oversight is still critical. AI should support decisions, not make them in a vacuum. Transparency matters too. You need to know why the AI is recommending something, especially when it affects someone's career. There are also ethical and legal questions. Who's accountable if an AI-led recommendation goes wrong? Are we collecting only the data we actually need? And how do we make sure the algorithms don't reinforce biases from past decisions? And perhaps most importantly, how do we keep the human in human resources? Hospitals are places of empathy, care, and connection. We have to be careful that in our pursuit of efficiency, we don't lose that personal touch that defines our culture and ultimately affects patient care. So, what's the path forward? It's not just adopting new tools, it's building the right governance around them. That means clear policies, strong privacy protections, inclusive teams guiding the rollout, and continuous testing and iteration. By 2032, it's expected that generative AI will reshape many healthcare roles, and that includes HR. The skills we'll need are evolving, and we have a responsibility to prepare our people for that change. If you're in hospital HR leadership, this is your moment to step into a more strategic role. Generative AI can be a powerful partner, but only if we use it thoughtfully, responsibly, and with our people at the center of every decision. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.